If you're looking for a quick guide on how to use Folk CRM on mobile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily navigate and get the most out of Folk CRM, all from the palm of your hand. This CRM tool helps you stay organized, communicate with your team, and manage your clients effortlessly. Stick around, and I'll share some key tips that will make you a Folk CRM mobile pro in no time. First things first, download and log into the Folk CRM app. Once you're in, you'll see a user-friendly dashboard that's designed for easy navigation. On the mobile version, you can access all the same features as the desktop version, but optimized for a smaller screen. This means you can view your contacts, projects, and all important communication with just a few taps. Let's start by looking at the FE Contacts tab. Here, you'll find an organized list of all your leads, clients, and team members. You can add new contacts, update details, or tag them to categorize them based on priority or project status. The best part? You can do all of this from your phone in seconds. It's easy to keep everything synced between the app and your main CRM, so you never lose track of your most important clients. Next, take a look at the Projects On section. Folk CRM allows you to manage ongoing projects by giving you a clear view of tasks, deadlines, and progress. On mobile, you can quickly update task statuses, add notes, and assign new tasks to team members. Whether you're on the go or in a meeting, you can stay up to date and keep your team aligned without needing to access a desktop. The Communications Hour feature is also a key part of Folk CRM, and it works seamlessly on mobile. You can easily send messages, emails, and even make calls directly from the app. All interactions with clients or team members are logged, making it easy to track conversations and follow up when needed. This level of integration keeps your communication in one place. No more bouncing between different apps or platforms. One of the most powerful features of Folk CRM is its automation capabilities. On mobile, you can set reminders, automate tasks, and schedule emails directly from your phone. For example, you can create automated follow-up emails for clients who haven't responded, or set reminders for yourself to check in on specific projects. These features are perfect for making sure nothing slips through the cracks, even when you're away from your desk. Lastly, the Honsei, Insights, and SISA reporting features available on mobile give you a high-level view of how things are going. You can track your sales performance, project progress, and client satisfaction all from your phone. This is great if you need to check on your business performance while traveling or just out of the office. Now, here's the good news. You can use Folk CRM completely free from the first link below. Plus, we've arranged exclusive bonuses just for you if you decide to sign up through this link. This is a fantastic opportunity to explore all the features I've mentioned without spending a dime. To wrap it up, Folk CRM on mobile is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your business, all while staying on top of your tasks, contacts, and projects, anytime, anywhere. With its easy navigation and robust features, it's a great solution for professionals who need to stay connected on the go. If you want to dive deeper, check the first link below for your exclusive and extended free trial of Folk CRM. You won't regret it.